I'm doing Genesis Impact plus a Legacy pack opening, about 16 pack. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into this. Man, we're gonna open all the packs first, and then you know, we got a couple fan raid packs as well. We just go. It's gonna be randomized on how we open packs. Yeah, got one of my favorite packs of all time, Metal Raiders. We also got Pharaoh Servant, but Metal Raiders is probably the set that got me into the game. I was like, yeah, that was 2002. I think May 2002. I was still in elementary school, fifth grade. Yeah, you know, it was a good time somewhat. You know, right there. More. It's all trash right over here. Like, this video is not really gonna be me talking. It's just for me show the cards, go on to the next pack. If I get a hollow, if I get a collector's rare, if I get a starlight rare, I'm gonna sleeve it up immediately. You know, you guys see them like those kind of cards immediately. We'll start with the Genesis Impact. I haven't opened this yet. Any of these packs right here. Boom. Let's get into it. Nightmare Griffin. That's a nice reprint. Let me focus that real quick. Yeah, the legs not there. Back up secondary. Oh yes, I needed this. Boom, live twin. Woo! Start off to a good start. Good start right there. That's a good start. That's a good start. Let me throw it back right there. See, just right now. Oh, that's a good start. Live twin. We'll keep that right in the back over there. Yeah, that's a good start. Woo! Just save it. Boom. Slide that right over there. Yeah. Oh, oop, oop. Oops, I'm gonna show the bags there. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Ooh, Zeta. Oh, yeah. My man, I'm pulling gold, man. Pulling gold. Yeah, I pull it. I'm gonna open up a fail server just to throw it all. We'll see how this do. We'll keep it the right way. Yep. Oh, ha! Uh, I remember I just traded somebody for this. It's funny. That is hilarious. Pull it. Oh, I forgot it was in this set. Gravity Bond. I forgot DNA Surgery was in this set. Oh, that is. Imagine trading someone for it and you pull it later on. This car was nuts back in the day. Gravity Bond. Like, oh, this car was nuts back in the day. It's one of those forgotten floodgates. We'll go back to some more. Focus this in a little bit. Yep. Oh, you twin love. I'm pulling gold. I'm pulling gold, man. Yeah, you got you gotta love to see it. You gotta love to see it, man. Pull gold, yeah. Start hug. I might build. I might build. Drytron. I'm not sure. Okay, peacock, peacock. Yeah, that's fire. We go. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah. Okay. Nah, man. Yeah, now let's get into fan rate. Let's see what fan rate got, man. Can we pull something fire? Let's get it. Yup. Ooh. 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 Ooh, Chuchi. Yeah. Chuchi. King. Queen Long. Yeah. Ooh, we got Chuchi. Ooh. Virtual World, man. I'm all build. Matter of fact, I'm gonna save my ready for later. I'm gonna save that one for later. Yeah. 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 Okay, that's good. Yeah, pull, we pull some heat. Pull some heat, man. You got two ultras, two evil twin ultras at that. A lot of Majesties got a lot of Dragtron cards. Ooh, ooh, Nightmare Unicorn. Ooh, ooh. But the field spell, that's good right there. Yeah, let's get that. We need that, man. We need that in the set. We need that, man. We need that from the set right there. Nightmare Griffin. Majesties Delta. Ooh, Nightmare Phoenix. Challenge. Yeah, I'm up for the challenge. Oh, man, I thought this was but it's fire. Uh, let's see. Did you forget a pack? Cause I think I'm missing a pack or two. I'll be right. I'm back. There's just some small technical difficulty. Respect play. Oh, gear free. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Right. This is the hollow, but this is better. Prohibition. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. You put that over there. That is. Ooh, that's. Yeah, this was one of my favorite cards back in the day, man. Like, yeah, this was my. Each time you just drew a card, you automatically got 500. Like in this day and age, you know. Yep. We go little Drytron one more time. Yeah. Yep. Um. Oh, Cyberman. Like I need another one. I got the, I got the secrets. I got the ultras. That would have been a good collector's rare. We gonna open this second. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Do Marshfield. I mean, okay, Fair was alright. It wasn't nothing like like boom, but let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go over here. Yeah, media. Okay. Okay. Burning Land. Yeah. Burning Land, aka California. Ha, just kidding. Oh, Sandwich, man. To get two of those, oh, that's excellent, man. That was one of my favorite trap cards back in the day. Just each time you just gain life points. It was back in the day when you know, the game was a lot slower. Like like now it wouldn't mean as much. Like, ooh, Nightmare Unicorn. That's a good secret password. Right? Man, that's right. Let's get it. Last pack moderator. Can we pull Black Gold Dragon? Let's get it, man. Already spoiled it. Ooh, Ultra Horn of yeah. You couldn't tell me back then that this one of the people's favorite cards. Trivia Monster and negate the normal summer flipper. Oh my, this card was broken back in like pre Gold format. It was just one of those cards you that and Mirror Force were just nuts. Like that seven tools of a bandit, Magic Jerry. This one of those cards you oh my brings you back to the like if you played Yu-Gi-Oh back in 2002, this is one of the cards you wanted, man. Horn of Heaven, nuts. Yep. Oh, it is the Janet Lowe saying Kansas Soldier. Like, cheerful coffin. Sorry. Gazelle the King. Let's see. Ooh. Overall, doing a couple packs. I definitely want to probably pick up some more. To me, these are the top three pulls right here. Might be the thumbnail. Might be. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me get in there. Boom. Yeah. Have a good day, everyone.